Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to adjust headlights on a Ford Expedition. Begin by positioning the vehicle straight toward a flat wall with tires inflated to normal pressure and fuel near typical level. Measure and mark the centerline and headlight heights on the wall, then identify the adjustment screws on each headlight assembly. Work in daylight or good shop lighting, and keep the engine off while making initial alignment adjustments for safety and accuracy. Gather a small tool set with screwdrivers, a 7mm or 8mm socket, and a tape measure before starting. Open the hood and locate top and side adjustment screws near the headlamp housing. Some models hide screws behind trim or require removing a small splash shield. If the screws are stripped or rusted, plan for replacement parts. Use masking tape to mark the wall at center lines so you can see how each adjustment shifts the beam pattern clearly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy car tutorials. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free music, timers, and hands-free help while you adjust headlights. It's small, affordable, and pairs with your phone for quick how-to prompts during projects. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start with low beams, standing back about 10 feet to inspect the beam cutoff against your wall marks and measure height to the brightest spot. Turn the vertical adjustment screws slowly to raise or lower each beam so the top edge sits at or just below the headlight centerline mark. Then tweak horizontal screws to center each beam on the vertical reference, making small turns and rechecking from distance until both headlights match and provide even roadway illumination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.